In this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF file into an ebook without installing any apps. First, open your browser and type app.moditool.com into the address bar. On the website, click on PDF Processor. As you can see, there are several tools here. Today, we're interested in the ebook converter tool. First, upload your PDF file. You can now choose the format you want to convert the file to, EPUB or MOBI. Click the blue Convert PDF button. And that's it. Your PDF file is now converted into an ebook. Thanks for your time. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're looking for a free tool to edit files or images, give Moditool a try. Our free tool offers many useful options, and most importantly, your files are safe. Everything is processed locally in your browser. Your files are not uploaded to external servers, and nothing is stored online.